So, actually, I'm here to talk about some really, really important issues which I think surrounds everybody because we feel ourselves as the most important entities in this world and we feel that we are very, very important. And actually, it's all in the head. From here, we feel that we are important. From here, we feel the burden of life, and from here, societal thoughts, sad thoughts, bad thoughts, everything else, incorporate our mind. So, can we do something to relax our mind? Yes, definitely. So, I'm here to talk about those things. We can actually practice mental imagery techniques, which actually is beneficial for the control of emotional arousal and anxiety, which uh, we feel on the daily basis. So, by consciously using mental imagery techniques such as visualization or probably mindfulness, individuals can learn to regulate their emotional responses and reduce their anxiety levels. One way that mental imagery can help with emotional control is by allowing individuals to practice and rehearse desired responses in a safe and controlled environment, isn't it? For example, if someone is going to prepare himself for an interview or for a presentation, then obviously he's feeling so much anxiety about it. So, what can be done in that case? This individual can practice in a more cool and calm environment where he can imagine that there is nobody to seek out or to give him views of what he is telling. So, by paying attention to the thoughts and sensations that arise when they imagine different scenarios, individuals can actually gain insight into the factors that contribute to their anxiety and develop more effective coping strategies for them. Additionally, mental imagery can be used in various relaxation techniques also. Relaxation techniques actually eases your muscles, such as progressive muscle relaxation. And when your muscle relaxes, you feel very, very calm. And this can be done by a lot of breathing exercises. You can practice Surya Namaskar. You can do any breathing exercises of your own choice to help calm the body and reduce physiological arousal. Physiological arousal is something which we may feel after there is some kind of burden or after there is some kind of tension. So this kind of arousal is very uh, makes us very, very anxious. So these kind of exercises actually helps to ease them out. So what we can say is overall mental imagery can be a powerful tool for managing emotional arousal and anxiety and can be used in conjunction with other therapeutic techniques to promote emotional regulation and well-being, to promote, you can say, cool and calm state of mind. So next time, whenever you feel suicidal thoughts, next time, whenever you feel bad or sad or just pessimism is running over you, just practice imagery technique. What is imagery technique? Just imagine yourself to be in a very cool and calm place, like whosoever is liking mountain, he can imagine himself to be in the shades of trees, or someone who's imagining, who's liking the ambience of sea waves, can imagine himself sitting on the beach. And then after imagining those things, you can practice mindfulness there. That is, you yourself are capable of controlling your emotions by practicing mindfulness. It's on daily basis. For example, when you sleep also, it's if sleep eludes you, then also you can do the same thing. You can just close your eyes and imagine yourself whatever you want to imagine, because imagination field is, endless. You can imagine yourself whatever you want to do, and then you'll feel positive. You'll feel that the world is in your hand and you can do whatever you want. Just try it out and remember me. All the best. Thank you.